Hello Bitwig community. Today I want to show you a software that I wrote that I exclusively made for making color palettes for Bitwig, and you can see it in action here. This color palette looks quite cool and it comes from this image. However, if you input this image directly here, then the colors are different. They are especially darker. And that is not very useful oftentimes, because if you put that on all of your tracks, then you see, yeah, it is way too dark. You cannot really use a color palette like that. And that's very sad, because you did select this image because it has nice colors. And then it ends up not looking cool in Bitwig, and you ask yourself why, right? So I made a tool that makes this a little bit better, and I called it Bitwig Image to Color Generator. When you are opening it, you can drag and drop an image, and it will create the color palette but with added brightness. And also I sorted every row by brightness as well, so that nearby, colors make sense. And yeah, then you can drag and drop that here. Just have to make sure that it has a unique name. Boom, and then you have the updated color palette. This software is open source, so if you are a developer and you have good ideas on how to make it even better, then please go ahead and take the code and just add your stuff. Thanks for watching.